Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick Figma tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to export your design so you can post it perfectly on Dribbble. Press F on your keyboard to bring up the frame tool, or just click on the second icon on the toolbar at the bottom. On the right hand panel, you will see Frame Preset. Scroll down to Social Media and you will find Dribbble Shot or Dribbble Shot HD. Next, drag and drop your design into the frame. You'll notice your mobile screen cutting the Dribbble size guide. Now move your design out of the frame for a second, press K for the scale tool and set the scale to 2x. That will double the shot size and make it fit perfectly. Now drag all your mobile screens into the frame. Highlight all the frames and align them properly to the top. Then use distribute horizontal spacing to even out the gaps between them. While everything is selected, give them a border radius of 24. If you want to make your shots pop even more, try adding box shadows. It gives depth and a nice professional finish. If you would like me to make a separate video on that, let me know in the comments. Now it's time to export. Select your frame and hit export at the bottom right corner. Choose your quality from 1x to 4x, with 4x giving you the highest quality output. Then pick your format: PNG for transparent backgrounds, JPEG for high quality images, SVG for scalable vectors that never lose quality, PDF for documents or presentations. Now you can upload your design to Dribbble and it will fit perfectly without cropping any part off. Thank you so much for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more beginner friendly Figma tutorials like this. See you in the next one.